What's up, people? Out here in the lab, y'all already know. I'm out here bouncing around on 3 of these old schools, man. Y'all think I don't be busy, know what I'm talking about? Check this out. Got the L Dog, the Clyde rolling. He fired up. Very nice. Then I got this other Rivy. It got dropped off a few days ago. The motor was seized in it. I unseized it, and now he running. This a hard top Rivy. He running. I fired him up yesterday. Then I got old Uncle Terry, the old bunny. Y'all might remember this. He finna bring this back from the graveyard. He wrecked it. I had put this 307 in here a couple of weeks before he wrecked this car, and it's been sitting. And let me get my gas. Show y'all a little something. Yeah, he running over here. This motor was seized up. Damn near burnt up the starter trying to crank it. I took the spark plugs out, sprayed some WD-40 in the cylinders, got the motor lubed up, and here we go. I already put them in line filter. Got good clean gas going up there. Yeah, we on. He happy as hell. I'm just letting him run. Now, Uncle Terry, we gonna get rid of all this spaghetti. We gonna clean them up. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all a little something. Pour a little gas in that carburetor. Got my ignition wire, my starter wire. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah. Damn, I ain't pouring enough gas in there, but y'all get the picture. Yeah. Once I go and put his radiator and core support and whatever else he got for me to put on, yeah, he'll be fine right back up. Yeah, we find him up from the outside. But yeah. So for people who think I don't be busy, you know what I'm saying? Don't be busy out here. The whole house still holding, man. Like that. Like that. Anyway, out here playing around, man, just showing y'all what I got going on. I'm bouncing around on 3 projects. 3 of them. Got all of them fired up and ready. That's what I'm talking about. Another day at FSC, y'all. I'll show y'all some more footage later on.